awesome view, huh? Yeah. This is right on the border. This is Lake Mead. Suicide. Slow down. Don't go ludicrous speed. You know, it's a nice view. It only lasts about 10 seconds. Then it goes behind the mountain. There it is, being all scenic-y. Yeah. Then in about 3 miles, we have the Arizona side. We have the dam. Yeah. Let's see if I can get a picture of the dam. Woo-wee! Yep, I'm in a left lane because there's a lot of crosswinds, and you have to get in the left lane because of the crosswinds. It helps high-profile vehicles like campers avoid the crosswinds that come through the canyon. All right, trying to pass up this Walmart guy. Hi, Walmart guy. I'm not really trying to pass you up. Just holding my own here. Alright, I'm going to put it on pause and get the side view going through the canyon. It's going to be quick, you know, because, well, it's quick. Yeah. Hi, Walmart. Somewhere over here is the Hacienda Hotel. It's got another name, I forget the new name. Okay. You'll see a lot of power transformers, power stuff. These are power lines coming off of the dam here. Okay, now let's see if you can see the dam. You can't see the dam. That's weird. I thought you could. Huh. Maybe it's around the corner. No, it's right down there. It's just that this bridge is so high. Well, I'm in Arizona now. Hope you enjoyed the view.